That's fish. Good fish. Good fish right there. Gotta keep it pinned. Got it on barbless down there. Oh, that's a good one. Easy there, big one. Trying to get it over here by the bank. Oh, that's a nice fish. Big female, it looks like. Could be wrong. Oh, in the net. Oh, she's a nice one. She's feisty. Whew. Barbless olive, or sculpin olive. Man, that's a nice one. Okay, well now that I got some ants off of me and I'm standing in the water again, which feels so great. Let us take a look. We got, well, almost had it. Almost had a good look at you, lady. She's just feisty, all gassed up. 9 and just shy of 8, so 16 or 17 inches. She's still got the gas in her. We'll get her out of here real fast. Look at that beautiful fish. Later, girl. Oh yeah. Let's see how many more of those we can find today.